What's up, guys? I'm back at it with another video, and today I have my little brother with me here again. It's been a little while, right, Manny?
Yeah.
Yep, it's been a little while, but we are back, and today we have a really cool video. We're gonna be doing the snack crate. We're gonna stop talking now and let's get right to the video. This video, I have my little brother back at it
Again.
Let's see what's in the box.
What's in the box?
The box looks like, and then in here we have little Sweden facts. Let's see, anything interesting here? Ooh, 99% of Sweden waste is recycled. We have the highest number of McDonald's.
What? How is that a... You know what? I don't care. McDonald's is stupid.
So then they give you a little sticker, or yeah, it's a sticker. You want it? You can have it. And then it comes with a cute little flag sticker. This is what their flag looks like. You ready, Manny?
Okay.
You ready? Okay.
Don't you like pull it up?
Got some other stuff in there.
I wanna pop this now.
Yeah. That's not important. Manny, just grab something and just go for it. Ooh, what are those? Try to read it.
Grilla.
I think it's the jungle rail. The jungle rail? I don't know. This is what it looks like. We have no idea why these salty licorice bites are popular, but they are beloved Swedish snacks. Try them for yourself and enjoy? Question mark.
I think it's supposed to look like...
Look, open it.
I think it's supposed to look like that monkey that's on it.
Oh, okay.
Like from the side, like one of those little thingies.
Okay, let's see.
It smells like... I don't even know what it smells like.
Okay, try it. Ready? This is what it looks like. Is it good?
Haven't you
Oh,
put
you
it in my
tried
mouth?
it?
So salty.
What is this?
Oh my god. Bad.
Okay. Didn't like that one. Okay, I'm gonna try these chips. It's called Owl, and they're grilled. See if you can find them.
I'll grill chips. These crispy chips. These crispy rigid potato chips are flavored with salt and onion, made from only the finest potatoes, whatever that means.
Yeah, so
Oh my god, it's so bad.
I know that other. These look like Lay's kind of. Oh, these are pretty good.
Oh.
Yeah, it's like
It tastes like
onions for sure.
no, like
I like these.
onion and thingy. I forgot what, like Pringles.
Oh, okay, I got you. Like sour cream. That one is good. I like that one.
Banana skids.
It's a chewy, stretchy taffy with the taste of banana and toffee in every bite.
So,
Oh, cool. They have a lot of these, actually.
They probably taste good.
Yeah. Okay, let's see.
It's probably like Laffy Taffy.
Yeah.
I can still taste that salty thing.
It's yellow and brown. This is what it looks like.
But it's like a paper in the
that.
back. Yeah, it's like a paper in the back.
Paper? Oh, let me take my paper out. Okay.
Mine has paper still. Is it good?
Yeah, it's good. It's like extra sweet. Like extra sweet.
Basically, banana Laffy Taffy.
Yeah. It has a little bit of lemon.
Oh yeah.
My turn. There's two of these.
These are like a Kit Kat bar.
It's called Kets.
Package. Kex bar. A crispy wafer is covered in milk chocolate, giving the perfect combination of sweet and crunchy in every bite.
It's like so wafer covered in chocolate. Right?
Yep.
Too thick.
Not really that good.
It's not that good, but it's not like horrible either.
It's crunchy chocolate.
It's okay. It's like a 5 out of 10.
I
I'm
was
looking
gonna say
crazy,
like,
guys. I'm sorry. Just got off work.
I was gonna say 5 out of 10.
5 out of 10, right? 10.
Let's see this.
I'm gonna try some more of this banana.
I already know what these are gonna be.
Are those gummy bears?
Probably. Jura Sura. I don't know how to say that.
Sora Bonjura.
Banjura Sura.
Featuring a green gummy bear on the packaging. These sweet and sour gummy shaped
Oh my god, it smells
are
so good.
what? Are sure to put a smile on your face. Ooh,
God,
it
you
smells
gotta
so
smell
good.
that.
Mmm.
Oh, they're so tiny. These feel really.
They're so tiny.
Look at that! Oh my god.
Oh,
You better die.
it's not really chewy.
It's like hard.
Yeah.
Like, but it melts. It melts.
Yeah, yeah, it's good. It's pretty good.
I'm definitely keeping these.
Okay, my turn. Billard.
Ashgerland Billar. Accidentally
Billard.
Oh,
Oh, they made it by mistake.
accidentally created in 1953 during an attempt to produce marshmallows. These light and chewy candies are molded into shape of little cars.
Oh, that's cute.
Like when they made it accidentally, did it come out as a car or did they make it into a car?
That's a good question, Manny. I got a white one. I wonder if it's different flavors.
I just got a fusion.
You got a transformer. Hey!
Oreo.
Just a couple more to go.
Oreo.
Oreo. Delicious marble chocolate filled with chocolate and vanilla cream.
What's marabou chocolate?
I have no idea. Maybe
That
it's
sounds like
a certain type of
That sounds
chocolate.
like a rich people chocolate.
Oh, we fancy, huh? Ready?
I'm going for you. 3, 2, 1.
It tastes like a cookies and cream like Hershey's and then covered in chocolate.
I don't like the chocolate part.
It's pretty alright. It was
There you
alright.
go.
It's my turn. More chocolate, I think. I think this is called Damn.
Damn, Daniel. Originally known as Damned, is this snack features crunchy.
Uh-oh. Hey, sister.
Why you didn't pick up your phone?
Because I'm recording right now.
What you doing?
Recording.
Let me see.
Say hi to YouTube. I don't know that. Almond.
Almond, yeah.
Okay. Almond caramel covered with rich milk chocolate.
Oh,
Sounds
it
good.
kind of tastes like a sugar daddy, but with
Sugar,
chocolate.
what's a sugar daddy?
It's kind of hard.
This is like a Butterfinger.
Oh, yeah, kind of. It's all right. We almost done.
I give it. Got a blanda, I think.
Got and blend that. Got and blend that.
I think it's in the next.
Potentially sour gummies, gummy candy in colorful mix of shapes and flavors.
This
so
is
it's like
the
gummy
original.
candies.
In here, it says like a different one. That's the sour version.
Where's the original then?
This is the original.
I know, but like
It came
where
with
is
the
it?
original only.
Oh.
I guess they got it mixed up. Dang, that last
Oh
one
well.
got me like.
So it's just not sour. It's just gummy candy.
I think fruity snacks maybe. What's that?
Oh, it looks like licorice. I'm gonna try that one.
I'll try it if you want. I'll do it.
That one looks weird.
I'll try this one. Really hard to chew.
I like this one though.
It tastes like licorice.
Mm-hmm.
Like a really strong licorice. Oh my god.
We got 3 more. They're all chocolate too, so we're gonna go with this is Marabou chocolate again, and this is the double nugget.
Oh my god.
Double nugget. I think. I don't know.
Double nugget.
Let's see if we find it.
Found it.
There's only one of these.
Light and soft nugget. It is combined with a layer of dark hazelnut nougat to create to create a
It's so soft.
decadent
Decadent.
chocolatey stock. Why is it so?
Oh no, this is like a block of chocolate.
I thought it was gonna be. Dang,
It's
it's
like a
melted.
block, literally a block of chocolate. I think it has peanut butter.
I think that's what it is inside.
I don't like it.
I like it. 9.
9?
I like peanut butter.
Okay, it's Manny's turn again. And then we got the last one. These are the last 2. Okay, go.
This one is Demo Snack Original.
Delicious combination of foam caramel mixed with Rice Krispies and covered in milk chocolate.
Oh, that's good.
I don't like that one. I don't like Squirtle.
It's gonna taste like a buttermilk. I mean, not buttermilk, a Butterfinger.
A Butterfinger, but
Yeah, because it smells like it.
But it has crispy, Rice Krispie. Ready? Oh, you already ate it.
I ate like the thingy.
It's alright.
It's not that good. I expected more. Not even that crunchy.
This one is called Tarragona. Tarragona.
Tarragona! I forgot how to say it.
Tarragona.
Tarragona.
Tarragona. Tarragona.
Roasted hazelnuts are mixed with creamy milk chocolate for the perfect blend of crunchiness and sweetness.
Ooh, these are cute. Okay, this is what it looks like. Cheers to the last one.
You hear my finger, bro?
I'm gonna get that whole thing. That's pretty alright. 10 out of 10. So we finished the box. And again, guys, that was Sweden. That was Snack Crate. And yeah, I really enjoyed doing this video. Did you like it, Manny? Overall, I really like trying these. I think I'm probably gonna get another box. What should I try next? Excuse me. But yeah, guys, comment down below what you think we should try out next. And yeah, my brother was in this video with me and it was so much fun. There was a lot of chocolate in there. So I guess, you know, Sweden likes chocolate. But yeah, guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember, I'm trying to hit 100 subscribers, so make sure you guys subscribe so that you can enter that giveaway. The giveaway will be linked in the description below. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down below anything else you guys want to see. And yeah, I'm gonna stop jibber jabbering and let's get right
into notification.